Hello everyone, welcome back to Fashion Trend Seeker. So today we're going to be checking out 8 can't miss hair transformations. So heading into transformation number 1, she starts off with long dark hair. Wow, so the stylist ended up giving her pixie cuts, beautiful blonde mixed in with the brown. Gorgeous haircuts. Then moving on to number 2, she starts off with like grown out, I'd say like a pixie haircut style. So there's the before and bam, beautiful curly pixie undercut, stunning copper hair color. Absolutely love this transformation. And if you guys do feel inspired by any of these hair ideas, please be sure to give today's video a big thumbs up. And of course, hit that subscribe button so that you can stay up to date on all the latest and the hottest hair trends. So we start off with the next one with someone who has long dark hair as well. Oh, beautiful lob haircut. Classic middle part down the center. Beautiful. Next up, we see someone with mid-length hair get their hair cut into this beautiful lob. And then we see someone with a grown out bob. Looks like she has a few hints of red mixed in the hair as well. Ooh, beautiful burgundy pixie cut. Gorgeous, love the color refresh. And then we see someone with shoulder length hair get their hair cut into a beautiful bob. Stunning feathered bangs were added. And then we see another bob haircut transformation. And then we have another long to short transformation. And it looks like she also decided to get a beautiful blunt lob haircut. So if you guys want to see even more inspiring hairstyle ideas, be sure to check out this video next.